In this guide, we're going to go over how you can fix voice chat and your microphone issues here in Marvel Rivals on a PC, PlayStation 5, and Xbox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. If it really does help the channel, it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, what you're going to want to do is actually open up your settings. You can do this in-game or you can do it from the main menu, but open up your settings and go ahead and specifically go over to the audio tab and into this basic section. We're going to want to scroll down a little bit first till you see this little voice chat option. The most important thing here is just to make sure that voice chat is turned on. If voice chat is disabled for you, you won't see any of these other settings. Make sure it's on, otherwise you will not be able to talk to your teammates or hear your teammates at all. But from here, I would also check your mic volume, your voice chat volume, and I recommend setting both of these to at least 70 or higher, so voices are clearly audible. Obviously, that mic volume controls how loud you sound, and then the voice chat volume controls how loud your teammates sound. From here, what you're going to want to do is just go up a little bit. And what you're looking for is this like little playback mode right here. Go ahead and make sure this is set to the right device for you. For example, if you're using headphones, make sure it's set to headphones. And then, of course, make sure that you have background playback turned on. Otherwise, you won't even hear that audio at all. From here, the only other change I would recommend doing is just making sure that you're on open mic rather than push to talk. That is, if that is what you prefer. And of course, if you're still having issues, check your system settings. On Xbox, that's going to be your audio and party chat settings. On PlayStation, that's going to be your microphone and sound device settings. And on PC, that's going to be your Windows sound settings and the default input and output devices. Just make sure that the correct microphone is selected and that it isn't muted at the system levels. Whenever you have all that stuff done, voice chat should start automatically working normally again. It really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.